Hi everybody, are you ready for tip number 2? I hope so, and I hope you're all keeping really well. So one of the best tips I can give you, because we were talking a little bit about toothbrushing yesterday, is actually a visual aid to make sure that you're really getting in there and doing a good clean. We think we're doing a good clean, but I tell you what, I've shocked myself with this one. I thought I was doing a great job, and then I used these Disclosing tablets. And then they told me the truth. They showed me those areas that I was missing. I think they're brilliant. They're really, really cheap, but they make a huge difference. They're going to help you keep your teeth for longer, because the better we brush, the less plaque, the less decay, the less gum disease, the longer we keep our teeth, the better financially off we are as well, because we're not having to have fillings, we're not having to have gum treatments. They are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And they're especially useful when you're learning a new brushing technique. So I would recommend these to everybody. I think even if you have got excellent brushing, if you haven't actually done a visual check for a while, it's worth it. It's really worth it, just because you might find that you're missing just one little area where you're changing the angle of the toothbrush. Where you know, if you brush like this and then you turn around to the other side of the mouth, there's often a tooth that just doesn't quite the same level of excellent brushing that the rest of the mouth does. And these are a great way of finding out. So they're not just for kids, they're for adults. They're not just for people with gum disease or lots of decay, they're for everybody. Easy to use. Yeah, pop one out, chew on it, get it really around the mouth, spit it all out, and then the scary bit, have a look in the mirror. Okay, and that's going to show you what areas are staining up as getting a lot of bacteria. And also, if you get these type of ones, it gives you 2 different colours, which tells you how long that bacteria has been there. And that can be quite a shock when you realise that there's maybe some that's been there for over 24 hours and you didn't quite get it with the toothbrush when you thought you did. So a really cheap little trick and tip is to use some of these. You can also use food colouring if you haven't got access to Disclosing tablets, but the Disclosing tablets are better. Just make sure you spit it all in the sink, because it can be really messy otherwise. Alright guys, I hope you're all taking care, and I'll see you for top tip number 3 tomorrow.